Whether you're grocery shopping, dining out, or cooking at home, health experts say planning ahead can make a big difference to your health.
That could be as simple as deciding which meals you're going to cook at home and what it is that you're going to cook. Having that plan set at the beginning of the week will help keep you on track to get your nutrition goals.
Lee Health clinical dietitian Noel Konken says it's easy to be tempted by unhealthy snacks when we're hungry and on the go, so she recommends prepping your meals and snacks for the week.
So whether that means, cutting up some fresh fruits and vegetables at the beginning of the week, keeping them at eye level in your refrigerator so that they're an easy grab-and-go snack. A lot of times we're picking our more saltier, high-fat snack items because they're convenient.
If you plan on eating out, look at the menu ahead of time. Choosing your meal in advance can keep you from making unhealthy choices when you get there.
Sometimes when we're really hungry and sit down at a table, we may choose not as nutritious of a meal, but picking out 1 or 2 meals ahead of time online can help us stay on track and not have our hunger get the best of us when we are dining out.
When you're grocery shopping, plan ahead by making a list and don't shop hungry. Just a few tips that can keep you focused on your health goals. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.